Hello friends, as you can see I have Google Play installed on my computer. I can easily install any app or game available on the Play Store from here. In this video, I will show you how to download the Play Store on your computer. Let's get started. First, go to the BlueStacks.com website through your search engine. We download it to our computer by clicking the download button on the website. We complete the installation steps by launching the downloaded file. After the first installation is finished, BlueStacks opens. You will see an interface like this. In the upper left corner, you can search for any app or game and view it on Google Play. In the bottom left corner, you can launch the app player and see a typical Android interface. By clicking on Google Play, you can download apps and games by logging into your Google account. BlueStacks is a very feature-rich emulator and has all the standard Android controls. In the top left corner, you can go back, return to the home page, and see all your recent apps. On the right side, you can turn on full screen mode and adjust the display and control settings to match your computer. It's as simple as that. This is how you install Google Play on your computer. If this video was useful for you, you can support me by subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Thank you very much.